Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to explain something really exciting, how you can actually earn money once you've deployed your own website. A lot of people think a website is just for sharing information, but the truth is, it can also become a source of income. Whether it's through ads, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or even offering premium content, there are many ways to turn your website into a money-making tool. So, if you've ever wondered how developers, bloggers, or business owners generate income online, stay with me till the end because I'm going to break it all down step by step. Before you can earn money, your website needs to go live. Deployment simply means putting your site on the internet so that anyone, anywhere, can access it. To make your site accessible, you first need a domain. Think of it as your website's address, for example, www.mywebsite.com. Next, you need hosting. Hosting is like storage space on a server where all your website's files, images, and data are kept safe. Once you connect your domain to your hosting, your website becomes live and visible to the world. This is the starting point for turning your site into a source of income. One of the most common ways to earn online is through Google AdSense. It allows you to place ads on your website and get paid for them. The system is simple. Whenever someone visits your site and views or clicks an ad, you make money. The more visitors you have, the more you can earn. For example, if you run a blog and it gets regular traffic, Google will automatically show ads related to your content, and you'll start earning income. Another powerful way to earn money is through affiliate marketing. It simply means promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale. Here's how it works. You get a special affiliate link. When people click that link through your website and buy the product, you get paid. For example, Amazon and Flipkart have affiliate programs. If you run a website about tech gadgets, you can recommend products and earn a commission whenever visitors purchase through your link. Method 3. Sell your own products, services. You can sell products directly on your website. For example, physical items like clothes or digital products such as ebooks and courses. If you have skills, you can provide services like freelancing, consulting, or even online training through your site. Method 4. Sponsored posts, partnerships. With sponsored posts, companies pay you to display their content or promote their brand on your website. For example, a popular blog might be paid to publish an article about a company's product. Method 5. Memberships or premium content. You can also earn by offering premium content. Users pay a subscription to access special tutorials, tools, or resources. For example, many websites sell paid courses or run private communities, where members pay monthly fees. To give you real examples, bloggers usually earn from ads and affiliate marketing, e-commerce stores earn from selling products, and web apps make money through memberships. Here are a few tips to boost your income. Focus on creating quality content, use SEO and social media to increase traffic, and always improve user experience. So, these are some of the best ways to earn money from your website. Start today and grow step by step. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.